Hi guys, today I'm going to show you a very interesting massage gun, and that's the Eros Pro from INEVIFIT. It's not only very interesting or even unique regarding the design, but it has also some very special features, especially the pressure indicator, but it's also very powerful, has 5 different heads, 6 different speeds and an easy one-touch control. So I'm going to show you everything what's in the box, how you can use that. So stay tuned till the very end of the video. And so here again the box, really beautiful box, could be also a really nice gift for some sports enthusiasts or gym freaks. I also like that they have their own website and they give you full support information. And because it's such a high-end massage gun, it comes with 15 professionally recorded tutorial videos on their website, but also some easy information here how to use. Again, 5 heads, 6 speeds, 5-year warranty, and we have an auto off, auto standby, auto stop, and the unique pressure indicator, which we will see later in detail. And so it comes in this really nice, beautiful carry case. Perfect to store at home, but would be also great to take just with you. Comes even with this nice carry handle. More instructions here inside. And so here we have this awesome massage gun in this very modern design. Definitely most modern design I've ever seen. And here in this case we have the 5 massage heads. Here we have this ball head. You can see it's soft but not too soft. I would say just about right. Then the flat head, which is of course very hard. The fork head, a wedge head and the bullet head. Comes also with some replacement gaskets and then the power supply for fast charging. By the way, that works also worldwide, and the full charge lasts for full 3 hours of operation. And charging is very easy, just plug it in down here and then we see the charging progress here in the back. So we can easily see when it's fully charged, but of course we can already use it before. And so we select the head of our choice, make sure that we have the seal properly aligned here. The heads are easy to mount, so we don't have to align them. They can work in any direction. We can add it like that or like that or like that. Absolutely flexible. Just push it fully inside here. But that's already it. No special locking procedure needed. This massage gun has also an absolutely awesome grip. So very, very safe to hold. Watch this thing here. And so to turn it on, we long press for 2 seconds. We see the beautiful display. Very bright, easy to see. We see the charge, we see the speed. And so we push just short to activate it. Goes into first gear. We can also feel that it's very slow, but still very quiet. And with every push we can increase the speed. 2nd gear, 3rd gear, 4th gear, 5th gear, 6th gear. Yeah, now it's super powerful, of course. And when we push again, it will go into standby. And with a long press we can turn it off. But it has of course also this automatic power off. And now of course you also want to check the top feature, the pressure indicator. You can see now it's white, which means there is little to no pressure. And as soon as we push more, it will go into blue. You can see that here. And you have seen even short red for a little bit, which means that it was too much pressure. So we start with white, goes into blue, and then after that we would see a red when we apply too much power. So that could be an awesome thing, especially if you are new to that. That could give you a really good indicator of what you are really doing. I can show you that also here. First it starts white, then we are going into blue, which confirms that we are doing it right here. Yeah, definitely absolutely cool, very stylish device. So if you don't want to buy just a toy, but something which has real power, very unique design and some special features, this could be the thing for you. And so if you're interested, I'll put down the link to the Amazon listing down into the description so you can check it out and order one for you if you like it. And I hope I've been able to help you a little bit with this video. If you have any questions or comments, just write to the comment section below, and I'm always happy to talk about these things. And if you like the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. See you next time.